Another one from Mcubamba.
Yes.
Nadinga say event and
Mcubamba was at the event. Mcubamba was paid the following day. Mcubamba is the one who came to me. Eriako ngijera kumbori ngabono okolire ko perform. Ngakibono to kora chibe shit. Ngumori ngumwana minto. Kahaki I'm going to stage. Kahaki for God's sake. I'm going to stage. I'm going to perform. Bro, will you ask me about money? Yani baka ngakuminga is this water ekinakia bana ba minto bakoreteki? Will you ask me about money? Right now, I'm going on stage. And I told him, bro, please go home, relax. I'll finish performing. I'll call the gentleman you signed an agreement with. And tomorrow, you will be paid your money. And bro, this is within the grace period that is stipulated in that contract of 7 days. Na yabanga ki bro, more in the same war building your own thing. Talibo? Kahaki gengo kini ni gento moko kini ya migento kieno. Yani bro to kore merelio kanye nonya 24 hours chioka. Was even 1 2 3 days. Bigo sinya. Diario akesi myobo ringa ki omwana ominto. Nki kiaba. Mcubamba received his money the following day. He received his money. I was surprised. Actually, that was one of the things that made me nkarengere ringa ka akinse enenko. Nkarengere ringa, I don't know whether you saw my response in that post. Nkamuboringa, bro, you've said inga you came to me, wakatebanga chiwe ya sangu chichachire, and you called it a lie. But you've not mentioned in that statement yago that you've been paid in full. And you actually didn't go, what is happening in Siaserega, Musaniyo yoiga, Toruchi agitated. Now they are calling these others, picking a few things, let's make this guy look bad. Let's make this guy look bad. Let's push him to the corner.
Now,
bro.
I think the is that we want okay. On this side of we see up and festival, to acquire season 1, season 2, season 3. Okay, the way forward in area right now because of course, so what is
this is the way forward. We will have to make some very serious decisions moving forward. Ritangani, allow me to tell my brothers, the partners that we've been working together with, my brother Mandela, my brother Frank, thank you very much for believing in a dream that I shared with you. You guys have stood with me. You have assisted me and the Kusiaban Festival to reach at this level. And probably they are the only people who know the vision I carry. It is not an easy task, especially working in Abana Minto Imeagusi. We are sacrificing a lot to propel Umusi to the next level, but the war is not easy. So I want to commit here today that moving forward, we are going to get a totally different professional team to manage and run Gusiaban Festival. I will be coming to Gusiaban Festival like any other musician, perform and go home. I am not going to interact with any other musicians because I've just realized that sometimes no tema kome gyokoba. I've seen the people